Hey, so I am super excited right this second. I very unexpectedly was the winner of a giveaway from Modern Day Mystic and Peter Schenk, and I'm just super excited. Anyways, you're gonna watch me unbox this bad boy, get into this pretty mailbox. Oh, peanuts. Have small dogs, have to make sure I didn't drop any. All right. So, as always, it comes in this beautiful bag, and I'm sure the box it's in is fantastic. The boxes are always beautiful. This is the HFA Generator Extreme. I'm so excited right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, so I gotta break into this plastic. Oh, I just can tell already. Oh, I love getting products from here. There are so many things you think you're working on and you're getting, and then you get some of the spiritual tech and things slot right into place, or sometimes they get a little crazy for a little bit and then slot into place, but it's really a lot of growth. Oh, how pretty. So as always, it's in this beautiful box. And I know at this point he goes to all lab-grown crystals, so they don't have any pre-programming. You can program them as you need to. So this is the HFA Force Generator Extreme. And I can tell you, I just want to meditate like right now. Got this one buzzing in my head. Third eye, it's tingling. Oh, wow. Oh. This is nice. This is very, very centering, very calming. Oh, wow. What a beautiful energy. I teach in this space behind me, and I'd been looking at this product to help me bring in more energy and really anchor the energy for what I'm doing when I teach my yoga and energy healing classes. And this is a solid piece of work. This is, I feel a great balance right now of just like I do when I really am in meditation. I'm trying to make myself talk to you because honestly, I want to chill out. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to meditate with it right now, and I'll come back. Hey, so I was the recipient of a giveaway from Modern Day Mystic, and what I won came today. This is called the HFA Force Generator Extreme. As always, Peter's made beautiful boxes for these things. They're always gorgeous. Truth be told, I wound up using my boxes for other things though, because my products never go back in the box. They just go straight to work. So I want to show you this. I did take a sneak peek a minute ago because I wanted to look at it. It is gorgeous. It is so beautiful. Look at that. And my first response was It's beautiful. Obviously, they're always gorgeous products, but the energy in this is so lovely. It just makes me want to meditate and stay there. It's a very grounding, yet even now holding it again, my third eye, my crown, they just want to be open and glowing. And I have the little one of these, and I thought it was really helping my meditation practice, especially when I travel. So that's the good thing about the little one, is it can go in your pocket. But this is, wow, this is a monster. This is like, you will do this now. You will sit and meditate, and you will be in the extreme version of yourself, your breath, your life right now. That's what I feel like. Oh wow, I don't even know what to tell you. Again, I looked at it just a second ago, and I wanted to share it with you. It's just super, super, super cool, super great.